I found that RAX Editor was so user-friendly. Its intuitive interface helped me a lot to have more understanding about RPA. It makes me more excited to think of potential projects for my team in terms of like automation.
Something that I've learned today is that automation can actually help the productivity of our schools, especially companies, big and small.
There was a lot that I learned naman talaga on the automation talaga ng mga procedures na, oh okay, yung mga sinasend ng email, pwede pala yun i-automate. So that was something new to me.
I learned that there are also other ways to automate the tasks so that we can save time. So I think we can apply this in our documentation mostly.